What's going on, guys? Today is all about dialers. I have another theme here to show you installed again on the LG Vista. As you guys can see, I have this really cool theme right now. So let's go ahead and show you the dialer. This is a really cool looking dialer, fully functional. You can do speed dial, just hard pressing. Swiping to the left is going to give you access to favorites. You can add as many as 12. Going to the right, access to the contacts, and then you can search the contacts by pressing on the letters on the side or by just typing the name right there. One more time, we'll give you access to create different groups. And then you can also change the transition effect by going into the menu. You can also change the language, dial settings. You can do backup. You can recommend these to other people. Under display settings, we have other options here. You can do a contact picture, screen rotation. You can change the time format. And then right here, transition effect. And let's do this bounce. And it's really quick. And the name of the theme, guys, is called Green Flame. And again, this is with Go Contacts EX, free on the Android market. Fully functional dialer. Looks really cool. And again, this is the LG Vista. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe for more videos and we'll see you in the next one.